Anu Badra Kratavo Yantu Vishwataha. Let good thoughts come to us from all corners of the world. With this slogan of Rigveda, today we are here to learn another Subhashita. This Subhashita is taken from Manusmriti. I will read the Subhashita once so that the words may be familiar to you to understand the meaning completely. Natena vruddho bhavati yenasya palitam shiraha yo vai yuvapyadiyanaha tam devaha staviram viduhu. One does not become old merely by grey hair. Even gods respect a person as old, who, though young, is a great scholar. Manu has started a good discussion on this topic. Really, who is old? In house also we come across the person's mother-in-law ordering the daughter-in-law, I am old, I am much experienced, you follow whatever I say. Like that we come across kind of situations. Parents also telling to their children, I am ordering you, follow this, I am much older. Like that anyhow they proclaim. And even in some other financial sectors or outside, some proclaim that being senior citizens itself anyhow, they need some kind of greater respect and other things. Manu is not against in respecting the senior citizens, but he wants to answer the question, who is really old? A old person is such a person who has the convincing capacity to the questionnaires and also who practices it. Then the questionnaires will come and question, their questions will be solved and they will be convinced and all follow him. So who is old? Whoever makes the others to follow without further questions is really old. In that sense, any old person not having that in practice or not having the convincing reason to what he does cannot be considered as old. Even having grey hairs cannot be the characteristic of an old person, because even we see some sheep get grey hair, and what is the use of that? So having grey hairs or that one is not the characteristic of an old person. Manu must have thought of this. Even if hairs become white or grey, they go for hair dyeing and make their hairs look fresh and much black, so that we can't realize who is old or how old he is. Like that no one can realize in nowadays. So Manu says, anyone who is experienced well, who is having wisdom with the knowledge or that one, though young, that scholar can be considered as old. That means respectable. In Kumar Sambhava we come across a situation where Kalidasa tells that Parvati was performing penance at the very young age, and even great sages, much experienced, much older, came and respected Parvati for her goal and the discipline observed in the penance. At that time Kalidasa says, Nadharma vruddeshu vayas samikshati. Those who are practicing righteousness, in such persons vayahana samikshati. Age is not being considered. The path, the hard effort put by them is considered. Like that Kalidasa appreciates the penance of Parvati to a greater extent and says even great persons respected Parvati. So what matters if one is young or old? One should get knowledge, so that anyhow knowledge is a light which removes the darkness, and so that he will be the light for the society. So one should become a man of knowledge. One should not waste even a single moment. He should always engage himself in acquiring knowledge. So the real intention of the Manu's words are gain knowledge, gain wisdom, walk on the path what you have realized. Then younger generation will become the leaders of the next world, and so that they will be having a bright future. With this, you should gain wisdom, we should work hard on the path continually so that we become the leaders of the future generation. So young generation should behave on this aspect. This is the message of Manu. We shall follow this so that we can brighten our personal life, the family and the society also. Gain knowledge and then command the respect. This is what Manu has said in this Subhashita. Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.